Here is our first video on anatomical positions and directional terms associated with human body by channel Anatomy Table 3. Directional language of anatomy exists in order to minimize confusions and is used in reference to anatomical positions. Anatomical positions is taken when a person stands erect, face forwards, eyes looking at the horizon, arms at the side, palms facing forward and feet also pointing forward. When discussing about human body, one must refer to anatomical position. Various other positions such as supine position, prone position and lithotomy position are also described in special terms. Though dissection of cadaver is done in supine position, one must dissect the cadaver as if in anatomical position. An anatomical plane is an hypothetical plane used to transect the body in order to describe the location of structure or the direction of movement. First type, median, means in the middle. Thus, the median plane is an imaginary plane that divides the body into two equal halves, right and left, also called as mid-sagittal plane. Types of median, anterior and posterior. A structure is said to be median when it is bisected by the median plane, never to be confused with medial, which means nearer to median plane, whereas lateral means further away from the plane. Second type, sagittal plane, passes any part of the body parallel to the median plane. Third type, coronal, it is vertical plane at right angle to the median plane. Transverse plane is a horizontal plane perpendicular to both the above ones. There is also a special case. In forelimbs, median passes through middle finger, but in hind limb, median passes through second finger. Various positions, planes, terms in relation to various region and movements are described as follows. Supine position, when a person is lying on her or his back, arm by the side, palms facing upward and feet put together. Prone position, person lying on his or her face, chest and abdomen. Terms of movement, flexion, when two flexor surfaces brought close to each other or simply decrease in the angle of surfaces, it is termed as flexor. Extension, increase in the angle between two flexor surfaces. Abduction, when limb is taken away from the body. Adduction, when limb is brought close to the body. Circumduction, combination of abduction, extension, flexion and adduction is in sequence. Supination, body facing upward while lying. Pronation, body facing downward while lying. Palmar aspects is the front of the palm and lateral flexion of the neck and trunk. The part of the lower limb are hip and buttock, the thigh, the leg and the foot and toes. Let's see regarding the flexion and extension of thigh. Flexion is when front of the thigh comes close to or in contact with front of abdomen. Extension is when person stands erect. Abduction is when thigh is taken away from median plane. Adduction is when thigh is brought close to median plane. Plantar flexion of foot is when sole of foot or plantar aspects of foot faces backward. So these are some of the basic terms and terminologies. Hope you all understood it. Thanks for watching.